Good day to everyone, this is Alexey. Every power semiconductors industry contributes to carbon neutrality on a global level, but every one of us can make an impact as well by doing simple things. Use public transport where possible, avoid using air conditioning or use it wisely, or better switch to fan. The list of things we can do to improve is huge. I'm personally a big fan of the most carbon neutral way of transportation – walking. For over 10 years already my average daily walking distance exceeds 10 kilometers. Let's keep on walking for a greener future. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. One of the most actively implemented systems to comply with the World Decarbonization Plan are photovoltaic. In the past 20 years, the growth of this industry has been exponential. With increasing demand for green electricity, solar power market experts predict over 20% compound annual growth rate for the industry in the coming years. Nowadays, many consider solar power as the most preferable because it produces no noise, harmful emissions or pollutant gases. Modular system can be quickly installed anywhere with installation costs relatively low. Besides, minimal maintenance is required to keep the system running. However, there are many challenges solar power faces, and the major one is weather conditions. Weather changes lead to fluctuations in power supply generated by the solar panels. The efficiency of the solar panels themselves play a very important role, and of course, the efficiency of the solar inverter, converting direct current from the solar panels to alternating current before transmitted into the grid, is of top priority. And no solar inverter can work without power semiconductors. And the more efficient power semiconductors are used, the less power losses the whole photovoltaic system has. Lippert Semiconductor's wide silicon carbide power modules portfolio includes top solutions for the solar power industry and solar inverters in particular. Thus, Easy Series silicon carbide power modules are perfect fit for solar inverters with its high-grade silicon nitride AMB substrates that combine best mechanical robustness with excellent heat dissipation properties featuring very high power densities. Unlike the competitors, E0 modules feature epoxy resin instead of silicon, leading to 3 times higher power and thermal cycling characteristics. The flagship in the series power module has no alternative in market. Compared with available in the market similar packages, it has 6 press-fit pins, which is possible because of the special epoxy technology used by Lippert Semiconductor. As informed at the beginning of the week, the SEMIKRON group has become a victim of a cyber attack by a professional hacker group. Thanks to SEMIKRON's strong security measures and preventive preparations for emergencies, they are making great progress in containing the cyber incident. All necessary measures to limit possible damages have been initiated immediately. Together with a team of external cybersecurity and forensic experts, SEMIKRON is investigating the incident, securing systems and data, and restoring the ability to work. With this process gaining momentum, they are getting an overview of the full impact of the incident. SEMIKRON doesn't have any definitive information about data leaks at this moment. As soon as more detailed information about a possible data leak is available, the potential affected customers and partners will be informed. Bandgap materials, especially silicon carbide for high power applications and gallium nitride for low power classes, are the future of energy conversion designs. They help increase efficiency in today's and tomorrow's key technologies such as renewable energy, automotive, electric drives, industrial and consumer applications. But no design is complete without the right passive components and magnetics. And on the way to the final design, you will need a lot of test, measurement and simulation. That's for sure. Bodo's wide bandgap event will cover these 2 related topics on 2 dedicated days as well. The 4-day event is packed with highly technical presentations from companies of all kinds, global industry leaders to emerging startups. Online question-and-answer discussions will round off the program. Wolfspeed Automotive qualified products are optimized for the traction inverter market. Designers simulating traction inverters require a balance of complexity, accuracy and simulation time. Discover strategies and best practice for simulating inverters and automotive drive cycles during this Wolfspeed webinar. Staying up to date on the latest advancement in power supply designs is one of the many challenges engineers face today. To help designers meet this challenge, ONSEMI will host the 2022 Power Webinar starting October 18. ONSEMI power experts will provide rich technical and practical presentations and combine new, advanced power supply concepts, tutorial review of basic design principles, and hands-on real-world application examples. Attendees will receive in-depth theoretical and practical discussions on each topic and pros and cons of different solutions to improve energy efficiency and system performance. ONSEMI will cover 5 topics that many power engineers will benefit from for their design needs. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.